Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So a great update was made for the Redditomatic plugin, and I say that it is a much needed update because until now it was not able to post to Reddit only the title of the Reddit post, but now it can also post content for the post that you publish to Reddit using this plugin. So this new settings field was added to post to the Reddit plugin menu. It is called Reddit post content template. You can also use these shortcodes in this field. So now we can go ahead and also customize the content of the Reddit posts. So let me give an example to you. I configured already the plugin to post to the test subreddit, so this is it. Let's refresh this, and these are the latest posts. And now let me go ahead and submit a new post with this title, the title of the submitted post, and the content of the submitted post as the Reddit post content. So let's go add new. Testing Reddit, and in the content let's write something larger, and let's multiply this a couple of times and simply hit publish. And the post should be on its way to Reddit exactly like you see it here. So in testing, if we go and refresh, here it is. And the title and the content was added. So until now this worked only for the title, and the content was left blank, and only links could be sent to Reddit with a title. Now it also can send contents of submitted posts. Okay, so this is all for this update. I hope you will enjoy this plugin. I link it in this video's description if you are interested. And until next time, please subscribe to this channel because I release new tutorials and updates for my plugins daily at 8 p.m. GMT. So yeah, thank you for watching until the end. Have a great day. Over and out. Bye bye.